Welcome back everyone. In this first section about fluorescent powders, I'm going to talk about the important components or the basic components that is required when you use fluorescent powders. Well, first off, you need fluorescent powder. As you can see, there are multiple colors. But what we have found from personal experience is that there are three colors that works effectively on most surfaces that we have encountered so far. And that is yellow, orange, and green. In our case, what we have found is that orange powder is the most effective, and then yellow, and then green. What you will also find is that you need a brush for each color of powder. So you need a brush for dedicated to orange, and a brush dedicated to yellow, and one to green. You will also need a fourth brush, and that is to remove any excess powder when you apply too much powder on any surface, to increase the effectiveness of the development process. What you also need is scale stickers that is calibrated, that you place next to your fingerprint for photography purposes. You also need, of course, latex gloves, as you need to protect your eye and your hands in the process. Then you need searching goggles. We've covered the searching goggles in an earlier section. The goggles is required during the fluorescence process when you use the Polyflare +2 forensic light sources to visualize the fingerprints that you are developing with fluorescent powders. Once you have identified these prints, you need to photograph it, and the photography can only be done if you use the same filter than you've utilized as a goggle. And the barrier filter needs to be placed inside the filter adapter that is then attached to the camera, and then you can photograph it. That's basically